How are we doing, Incog family? I hope everyone is keeping well, keeping safe, and trading safe. Now, apologies for not posting a video last week. Going forward, I should really be posting every Tuesday. I just didn't have the time to post it last week, so apologies for that. Anyway, back to it. So a quick little video, and we're going to speak about external versus internal structure. Now, going forward, I'll release a part 2 for this, whereby I'll look at how we can actually use internal structure to trade. How we can use internal structure to trade. In this video, quick little video, we're just going to speak about what is external and what is internal structure. Now, as usual, guys, if you like the content on this page, give it a like, give it a share, and if you've not already done so, subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. Now, when I say external structure, essentially what I'm referring to is swing structure. So let's just say this is the 15-minute. So the example I have for you guys is the 15-minute. So I would just say that this is the 15-minute. And this is a 15-minute external structure. Essentially, this is the 15-minute swing structure. So let me just get this sorted out. Now, in order for this 15-minute to break structure such like this, to break swing structure, we would have seen multiple levels of internal structure being built. Multiple levels of internal structure being built. Now, the important thing to identify here is when you see a breaker structure here, as such, and then you see another breaker structure as such, this is internal structure being broken. The swing order flow, the swing intention has not changed. Internal order flow has shifted bullish. Which makes sense because after we break structure, after we break swing structure, what we're expecting a pullback. So if you then see double breaks of structure internally, that's a good indication that potentially that the swing pullback is likely going to happen. So where a lot of people go wrong is they'll see these two breaks of structure and they'll be too zoomed in and start looking for buys, completely forgetting the fact that we've now reached 15-minute premium. Or let's just say a higher time frame premium, at which point price is likely going to do this, or that's our expectation order flow. So just because internal structure shifts bullish, it does not mean the overall swing structure has changed. So just zooming out of price here on M15, and when people see sort of impulsive moves to the upside like this, right, breaking structure, they'll be expecting higher prices. And this is where a lot of people can go wrong or get caught out. And it's very important to make this, to identify these differences between your swing structure and your internal structure. So the first thing that we need to do is identify your swing. I'll just make that black. So we've got this low which pulled back, created this high, which then ultimately created this low. So your breaking structure was here. Now, in order for price to go from here to here, it wasn't just a straight little push. So what we've got essentially is multiple levels of internal structure, substructure, whatever you want to call it, right? Within that leg. Now you might have more structure, substructure marked out. I'm just going with these. So at this point, all we've got is an internal breaking market structure. I'll just zoom in here. All we've got is an internal breaking market structure. That's all what we've got. Nothing has shifted from a swing standpoint. If anything, what this essentially suggests to us, this internal break suggests to us that the pullback is likely going to happen. The change in character is also an indication. It's an early indication that the impulse is over and the pullback is likely to stop. When we start to see internal structure breaks, that's a really good, solid indication that the pullback is starting to occur. Now, from here, we get another internal structure break, right? No, internal structure break. So internal high, internal low, which created this internal high. So this is really good indication now that, you know what, the internal structure has now shifted, is now bullish. However, from a swing standpoint, from an external standpoint, we're still bearish. So what we can essentially expect to see is when we see these breaks, we can expect that pullback to really start. Yeah, and if I just draw the 50% tool, look where we come into. Look where we come into. We come into the 50%. Now, albeit we've now got another break of internal structure. Now, internal structure is not be all and end all. We have to put the story together. Yeah, swing structure trumps all. Yeah, so from a swing standpoint, we've now pulled back into premium into some sort of POI in here, some sort of relative POI in here, and from there, we've eventually got a break of internal structure, which is again good indication that the next impulse is likely to start. And if you look here, was price went and done, we eventually came and broke swing structure. And essentially you then, so at that point I'll basically change this as my swing high, which has broken this swing low and then caused potentially this swing low. But the important thing here to understand is these breaks in structure that you see, don't look at it and be like, okay, we're now bullish now. You're bullish from an internal standpoint. From a swing standpoint, nothing has changed or nothing changes until your previous swing high or your previous swing low gets taken, i.e. this one here in this case. Yeah, so I really hope you guys took something from that. Like I said, quick little video. I'll do a little part 2 on this to see how we can really use internal structure to our advantage. Yeah, and really combine it well using swing structure and internal structure. I just wanted to go into the little differences between internal and external structure in this video. Yeah, so I hope you guys took some sort of value from it. Yeah, so don't get confused between external structure and internal structure. Make sure you know the difference and distinguish the difference between them. And yeah, so if you guys did like that content, give it a like, give it a share. I think I already did this before, but I'm doing it again. And if you've not already done so, subscribe to this channel. And I will see you all on the next video.